Good sheep. Eating the frost. Good sheep. Here. I'm warm, waiting for them to get full. Warm in my little freestanding wool teepee that I can do this with. And we're up. And we're up. Yeah. A freestanding teepee with two little windows. Huh. Door. I got space behind me, space to the side of me. I can twist, I can move, I can dance actually. I can dance in here in my little wool teepee. I love it, dude. I've been using it for the last month. Come here, Annie. Come here. Good girl. Here. You don't know what to think, do you? Come here, mama. You little mama. Yes. You little dairy sheep. Good girl. Here. There you go. Hey, it's warm in here, yeah. Oh, yeah, good girl. What a good little sheep. I love this sheepy. I call this the sheepy. The little wool teepee for shepherds. I call it the sheepy. Yeah. I love you, little Annie. Annie, the little lammy. Good sheep. We're all warm in here. It was snowing out just a second ago. Outside of our little freestanding sheepy. Yes, a little freestanding sheepy. Keep us warm while we're waiting for your parents to graze, your siblings. Let's see where everyone's at. Let me just stick my head out. There they are. There's your siblings. Still flurrying a little bit, and it was snowing. None of it stuck. None of it really stuck. It's fucking cold out. It's nice and warm in here. Especially with you. You're 104.5 degrees. Your body temperature is like a little hobo heater. Yes. In here, in this thick little wool hut. Freestanding hut. The way I sewed it. Sewed all the hems up so they're like little teepee poles. Basically, I made like a little tiny teepee hut made out of felted wool. And I love it. It's the coolest thing I've ever lived in or lived out of it. I mean, my back isn't touching. I can turn around. I can move around in here. And I'm sitting on the side of a fucking hill watching my sheep in the snow, and I'm warm and dry. This is like the coolest fucking gadget ever. And it's wearable. This new invention is really going to be a deal breaker once I hone it, and people become aware of the possibilities and start making their own, especially with the new felting methods that I've invented that I'll be sharing soon. This is freestanding clothing that acts as a tent that used to be defined as camping paraphernalia. So this is a really gray area that really would empower homeless people to be warm, dry, and safe wherever is public, as long as it was self-contained. In which case, I think I'm gonna put some pockets on the inside. So that all my belongings are at the base. But yeah, if you're a homeless person in the middle of the night being spotlighted by a police officer or something like that, woken up, then you claim that you were just being along your way, and you stand up like this. No, officer, I wasn't camping. I was just sitting down, and I have a really big coat. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We'll see what happens. I tried putting buttons up the front, and that was awesome. I just I took them off to try another idea, also to try sew it up solidly. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the buttons back on because I like being able to open it up in front. So I'm gonna put some buttons back up on front, and it also helps it to stand up way better when I have the buttons buttoned. And yeah, I can walk through stuff like this, no problem. It's the perfect length. Awesome, just big enough to sit up totally straight in and not touch my head. I can meditate inside and dance, but yeah, I can also move around easily through the train. I'm excited about this. It's freaking awesome. Pretty cool. Yeah. Happy sheep. Yeah.